What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy G watching Keeping This Tech. Very special video. Today is July 13th. That's important because this movie is not supposed to come out until tomorrow, and I have it. This is the ultimate collector's edition for the Michael Jackson Michael biopic movie. This is directly from LIONSGATE. This is their LIONSGATE limited edition, and boy, oh boy, am I happy to have this in my hands. You know what I mean? I saw Michael 4 times in the theater. It actually, as of this weekend, I believe, passed 1 billion. So it is the first biopic ever to hit 1 billion, and first musical biopic as well. So this dude is holding a whole bunch of records. This is a very special copy of this 4K Blu-ray and Blu-ray combination because it has a book in here, if I'm not mistaken, of, you know, the behind the scenes of Jafar and a whole bunch of stuff. So while there are some other editions out there, this one is really special. And I was actually surprised to see that it was already sold out. So I don't know if scalpers got a hold of them, or I hope other fans got them instead of the scalpers, because I did see a posting for this online on eBay for $130. Now, I'm a huge Michael fan, but I don't know if I would spend $130 on this. I mean, I haven't even opened it yet, so maybe that's to be said. But yeah, I'm gonna open it right now with you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. So actually, let's go to the unboxing table so we can actually really take a look at this. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. By the way, the packaging is fire. I love this. I gotta tell you. I think Jafar absolutely killed it. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. All right, cool, got a little glue here. Look how nice this is, man. That's actually dope. Oh, snap. The toes, man. All right, got a little bit of glue here. Oh, very nice. So that was able to come off real smooth. I gotta say, this feels like a nice, very premium texture. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little bit of a 3D pop, almost like they've sketched the metal underneath there for it to reflect a shimmery. It's really nice. And here is your disc. Move that over here. Very nice. And ooh, okay, there we go. Really cool. So in here is a digital code for the movie. You got the Blu-ray, and then you also have the 4K Blu-ray at the top there with young Michael. And then you have Don't Stop Till You Get Enough Michael for the Blu-ray. Definitely one of my favorite movies. Absolutely. This part of it kind of feels a little flimsy, a little cheap, right? It's like, you know, you want to take care of this. This is probably gonna get worn down really quickly. And there's no, but this case feels a little flimsy. Like it's like, it'll be ruined really quickly. You can kind of see the paint indent in there. It's definitely a fingerprint magnet. Looks really nice though. But you'll notice that it doesn't want to stay closed. So it'd be cool if it was some sort of magnet that could keep it closed, or some sort of clip. That'd be really nice. But obviously I think they think that you're gonna house it into this slip case here, so that might be a thing. But yeah, that's that. And this is the little book that comes with it. So there's a 50-page book of a behind the scenes look. Let's see what we got here. Making Michael was one of the most challenging and rewarding experiences of my life. The fact that so many amazing and talented artists came together to tell this story with such passion and unwavering authenticity is a testament to Michael's endurance, influence, and the power of his love. This book represents a visual journey behind the scenes of Michael, and I hope it gives fans a glimpse into the joy that this cast and crew brought to the set each and every day. There's Jafar. Crazy, man. Oh man, this is so cool. And again, to me, like, this works because this is a piece of like cinema, right? It's like a little bit of that with it, you know? Movie is fantastic, man. Coleman Domingo as Joe Jackson, insane. That dude was freaking Scar from The Lion King, yo. He was pretty terrible, yo. Again, young Michael killed it. Killed it. So dope. Yeah, I wish they had more of Quincy in there. Like, that would have been amazing to see a little bit more behind the scenes there. That's so cool. Blue screen, the Don't Stop Till You Get Enough. That's wild. Cool, man. There's so much. There's so much here. I think this is Prince. That's right, Prince Jackson, yeah. That's what's up. The Beat It scene. The whole time I was thinking, how come he's not wearing the right shirt for the Beat It scene? But when you watch the movie, you understand that he's actually not on the set. And if you like pay attention to Mike, he kind of wears a lot of the same clothes a lot of the times. So back then, that made sense that he would have gone to rehearsal and then used that same t-shirt from rehearsal in the music video. I mean, it's believable if that were to be the actual case. Here's a silhouette of Michael here, animated. And you can tell it's Michael. It's not like Jafar being Michael. This is Michael's look here. Thriller. They did the whole thing, man. They were at the same location and they had the, you know, the same clothes. They redid everything. And I heard Antoine Fuqua mention that there was a full moon the night that they were filming. So it was kind of crazy. This is one of my favorite scenes, when he's actually going in to talk to the record executive about getting Billie Jean on there. So sick. What a performance. Yep. And then we got the Grammys. Oh man, like, this movie would have been amazing if they went into Grammy night. Like, what was that like? And it's funny because if you watch the real footage behind the scenes there that night, he was with Emmanuel Lewis and Brooke Shields. Obviously, they couldn't include those characters, so, but it would have been nice to know what that lead up was like, or even after the fact. The infamous end scene there. Yep. So dope. And it's funny, this book actually takes you into chronological order too. Like, I noticed that it went from young Mike to all the way to bad Mike when the movie ended. So yeah, and this performance, oh my goodness, it's such a celebration. So yeah, that's a wrap. Antoine Fuqua, yo. What an amazing team. Again, booklet, sick. And this is it, yo. This is what it is. I think it is so dope. Absolutely. So yeah, I'm obviously, because of the way it is, I'm gonna keep it in here the whole time. And yeah, that's it. Michael. Fire, bro. Like, look, I don't know if you could see that on camera, but this is a shimmery design. It's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. Good job. Good job. Well, thank you, LIONSGATE, for sending this out early. Now, but I want to be clear, they sent it out, but I paid for this. This is my copy. I'm not an influencer, but I got it a day early before it was supposed to be out to the public. So I'm super excited. You know what I'm doing tonight, yo?